What's up, guys? It's Cece and I'm back again with another video. And this is a new channel, and if you watched my previous video, like I said, I have another YouTube channel with me and my girlfriend Kia. But this is all about me. It's about me, not her, just me. But my last video, I showed y'all a couple of hair products that I liked, hair products I didn't like. But I figured this video I show y'all how I do my puffs. Right now it ain't up to par, but I'm gonna show y'all the ending, whatever it's called. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright, so basically, like, I just like, this is like one of my hairstyles that, like, if I'm too tired and like do you see this? Anyways, like, if I'm tired and I don't want to like do nothing to it, I just want to do like something real quick, I just put it in a puff. So first I just get my Denman brush and I just comb it. It's already like pre-combed semi, so it's like so yeah, I just like, whoa. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is how much shedding came out, which is not even a lot. Okay, and I haven't combed my hair out, like, I don't know. So yeah, so now, oh darn it, I didn't even grab a brush. Yeah, hold on. All right, so I got my brush. I don't need it right now, but I'm gonna need it in a second. So yeah, so the next, no, I don't put that in. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna do another video on this, but basically, like, OGX, like, how they have the limited edition stuff. So they was doing a giveaway in like December, and I won their product. I won the giveaway, and I got this for free. It's the Candy Gumdrop limited edition by Candy Johnson. And when I say it smelled bomb, like, it smells so good, and it made my hair feel, you know what, I'm gonna do a video about these products in my next video. So, but right now we're gonna talk about it. But yeah, so I sprayed some more water, because you gotta, there's nothing wrong with some water in your hair. But I don't want to spray too much because I don't want it to get curly. I want to have that afro puff look. So I put like, wow, like this much conditioner, just to put it on like around my hair and stuff. And on my ends, because so, but yeah, then I just do this so I can like really keep that puff look. And then I put some of the nourishing coconut milk anti-breakage serum. I don't know if you can see that, but I put like 2-3 pumps, but I just focus mostly on my ends because like my ends is out. So I'm just, I'm sorry, 1 2, 1 2, yeah, that's enough. So I just put like that much. I just rub it in my hands, put it on my ends, put it on my edges. Whew. So yes, I just really focus on my ends when it comes to that. So all right, so now this is the irritating part. I had some eco styling gel, but for right now I gotta use the product that I told you I didn't like, that made my hair like extremely flaky. So I'm gonna use this, but since I know how it gets, I'm not gonna put too much or whatever. So I'm just gonna put like this much, like a, put like that much. Then I'm gonna rub it in my hand. I'm gonna rub it all up here. Ooh, my forehead is busted. bussin'. And I just brush it up and then flip my hair over so I can get all of the hair to the front. All this hair on me. Get it nice and slicked like that. Whew. Okay. Alright. All the way to the front. I put it like as close to the front as I can. I get my bow. I'll hold it like that. And then, okay. Woo! And then I do it like that. Okay, one more. Woo! Oh my god. Alright. So then I just like, you know, do like that so I can get it more tighter. See? Bleak. That was a workout. Woo! So now I just like get it as big as it can go by just doing this. Gotta even it out, you feel me? And then you get the edge control, which my girlfriend took. So I'm just gonna use this gel. Put a little bit, literally just a little bit, like this much. And then I'm gonna gel down my edges. Excuse me for getting close to the camera. Looking like a bad bitch already. Oh. Alright, so, and this is my finishing product. You know, I don't really do my edges like that, but yeah, so it's fleek down, puff is on fleek, edges on fleek, you feel me? All you gotta do is put some earrings in real quick, and then boom. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and you know, if you want to see certain kind of videos, just leave them in the comments down below. Follow me on my social media. Snapchat is ctm.x, Instagram is thatgirlc_, and then Twitter is SpanishMommyX_, I think. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, like I said. See you on the next video. Bye.